I have just came back to my room looking like this. I've been a bit sick and also just been super busy with moving to VCE and doing like a lot of things. So my room has copped it. I also went shopping and got a new bra. So hopefully you've guessed it by now, but we are cleaning my room together. As usual, we're going to start on the bed. I stayed over at my boyfriend's house, so I'm going to unpack my sleeping bag. This Victoria's Secret bag. I don't know why I don't use this. Me and Riley also went out into the city today. Okay, my bed is clean, but I'm going to take everything off, including the sheets. It's time to wash these sheets. I've taken the sheets off. I don't want to show that right now, but I'm going to put the new sheets on right now. She's all made. Now we're going on to this disaster. If you can't tell, I love chocolate. But we're going to take all the rubbish and the bowl out. I'm going to take everything off and I'm going to dust it and wipe it all down. She is all dusted and wiped, so I'm going to put everything back on her. I definitely recommend getting a Stanley. This is my favourite drink bottle of all time. I'm going to light this candle and put that lamp on so it's all cozy. She's so cute. I just wish I had some real flowers in there. Now it's time to move on to this mess. I'm going to use this bag as like my rubbish bin. I got a bunch of free things from work and I just have a lot of rubbish on this table. So I'm going to put everything, well, all the rubbish things in here. All the rubbish is removed. This is my favourite drawer because it's just so organised. These are looking a bit low, so I'm going to fill them up. She's all nice and full now. I'm going to now just unpack my makeup and skincare bag and put it all back. I've got heaps of hair stuff and I've just got my TAFE book as well, so I'm going to just put all of that away. My desk is all clear, but look at this. Look at that disgusting grottiness. We're going to take everything off it, give it a very good wipe down, and I will be back. I'm also going to clean both the mirrors. She's all clean, and even look, the mirrors are sparkling clean. Next, we're going to go for the floor. I'm going to start with my shoes and then putting all my dirty clothes over here and all my clean clothes up on my bed. Look how clean the floor is. I'm going to put all my clean clothes away. I did a clear out of all my jackets and jumpers. Little sneak peek. There's quite a lot, so there's not much I can do with these except for leave them there. I have, however, noticed that this floor is extremely dirty, so I'm going to move this. These are all my art supplies, so I'm going to move this out of the way and give this a quick vacuum. I'm also probably going to give the rest of my room a quick vacuum as well. There's not much I can do about this area because I am selling all of these. These are all on my Depop, and I'll be putting all these on my Depop as well. All I have to do now is clean this area. I am going to just start by putting all the clothes away because I feel like that's what's on here and making it look like this. Okay, I've cleaned all the clothes. This is my friend's sister's top, and these two skirts I can't hang up right now because I have no room. But I'm going to put all this stuff away and then my room is finished. My room is all done. It's as clean as it's going to get. I'm actually going to put my fairy lights on real quick. This is my room at night. It's so cute and cozy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you all and I will see you on the next one.